Hello and welcome to SMA News. I'm Jamai.
And I'm Harry. Coming up in this programme, we'll bring you up to date with the latest school news.
We've had rowing and debate mate champions, pupils visiting the University of Oxford, and we'll be bringing you behind the scenes of a VIP premiere. But first, what made these students so excited? Do they just love coming to school, or were they very excited for the half term? Stay with us to find out.
Our top story, St Matthew Academy won the Rowing London Regionals for the South and East back in December and therefore went through to the London finals. All students competed individually for their year group. Dimitri bagged the gold medal and Abdul the silver, therefore number 1 and number 2 in all of London. Next was the junior relay. Kelvin, Dimitri, Abdul and Kevin stepped up to the plate and brought home the gold, crowning them the best team in London.
As reigning national champions of DebateMate 2019, SMA hosted round 1 of this year's tournament, welcoming 7 schools from all over Lewisham. Both Year 7 teams won their debates in the second half. A fantastic achievement. We now go on to round 2 and look forward to more successes.
The Year 7 Media and Communications scholars entered 2 film competitions with their film The Shift, which is a fun, sweet film about brotherhood. We are happy to say that they were both runners up in both film competitions and will be presented some really cool prizes after the half term. Well done, guys!
The Academy held its 3rd PSHCE Day this year, and it was a huge success in both primary and secondary. Primary focused on staying safe and had a special visit from our community police officers, and in secondary, the focus was living in the wider world. There was an array of sessions that we took part in throughout the day, from climate change to money, business, and economics. It was a really useful day.
Last year, we were asked by BBC Global to come up with some questions for the professional wrestler and actor Roman Reigns. At SMA, we always let our light shine, so here's a sneak peek of what our pupils came up with.
I'm WWE superstar, the big dog Roman Reigns, and I'm here today to answer all your questions. Let's do this.
Hello, my name is Desiree, and my question is, what has been the hardest challenge of your career?
Hey Desiree, good question. I think by far was just, over this past year, making the announcement that I live with leukemia. To be able to share something that personal on a platform that big for the whole world.
Hi, my name is Aziz, and my question is, what goes through your mind when you enter the ring?
Great question, man. It's almost like everything goes through your mind, and then as soon as you hit like all of that, then boom, nothing. Now it's just instinct. So you have all these different, variables, all these different, situations that can happen. You want to be prepared because it's live.
Great questions, guys. 12 lucky Year 9 girls spent the day immersing in everything maths at Oxford University, attending the It All Adds Up conference. The girls were deeply enthused and inspired, working alongside first-year degree students who led the workshops.
Still to come, behind the scenes from a BBC premiere. But now it's time for our very own talent. Here's our Tweet Street reporter Nathan.
Welcome to the St Matthew Academy Tweet Street. I'm Nathan, presenting lots of thrilling, exciting and just mind-blowing tweets for you. So, let's get into it. Roll the tweets! Year 10 and 11 GCSE drama pupils had a thrilling time at the Fortune Theatre. They went to watch The Women in Black live on stage, and pupils really enjoyed that experience. I don't know about you, but I would be jumping out of my chair. 12 Year 10 pupils attended the launch of the Brilliant Club Scholars Programme at Exeter College in Oxford. Let's have a look at the amazing view. Primary celebrated African Day. Pupils composed their own dance which highlighted what Africa meant to them and made their own shakers. Pupils then played rhythms on the African drums. Some brought in traditional food for all to try. Year 10 photographers developed key communication skills in their group crit, sharing their work with each other. We are also proud of the Duke of Edinburgh participants, a massive 208 hours of volunteering and giving back to the local community. Year 1 welcomed their parents to a toy extravaganza. They were able to create toys throughout history with their parents. They created rag dolls, finger puppets, and their own memory boxes. They had a lovely afternoon creating and discussing. Year 5 spent part of their afternoon thinking about what they love about St. Matthew Academy, and I must say, I could think of several things I could add to their wall. The cast list is up. Congratulations to the student cast in Madagascar, A Musical Adventure Junior. The performing arts team look forward to starting their rehearsals after half term. Finally, can you guess which members of staff these are? Vote for your favourite portrait in the house portrait competition. I've been Nathan, and remember, let your light shine. Back to the studio.
Another amazing time for SMA Sports. Year 7 and 8 pupils had their first lesson in full contact rugby. Year 7 and 8 girls focused on improving their football skills with a professional coach. Year 7 boys had a taster session from trampolining and focused on control and clarity of shapes. Year 7 pupils from the Sporting Brilliance Scholarship Programme are at the Copper Box Arena to compete in the London Youth Games. Remember at the start of the programme when we asked you what made these pupils so excited? Over to the Year 8 boys dance group.
So this is the Year 8 boys dance group, and we've been doing it since the start of Year 7.
Learning about different movements, learning about how to get from place to place, stretching out and stuff like that.
So we went to other schools and we did activities and went to theatres. I was interested in dance, and then they asked me to be in a group and I said yeah. I enjoy it because it lets me to express myself, and even if I'm in a bad day I can express that through dance.
This club is just about bringing young dancers who just want to dance for fun and who just want to express their movement. I think Miss Smith really helps with that, as she's kind and teaches us better ways to manage our emotions. I would encourage other people to get involved because it's a way of dealing with your difficulty, even though you might not have any. Very good for you. It's very healthy. Instead of just sitting around doing nothing, and also it's very active. You can make friends. It helped me be more active because I used to just play games all the time, and it actually helped me be more aware.
So we're doing a new dance for the Christmas showcase. So I think it's quite fun because we get to kind of work on some choreography with each other and by ourselves. So we get to be independent. You don't really realise how many things you can learn from dance. It's kind of about how you work in a team with other people.
Anyone can join and anyone can make a really good piece of dance. Before I joined, I didn't consider myself as a dancer, but now I feel like I am. When I start dancing, I practice at home so I don't get bored, so I don't get angry. Just before the end of term, we visited the Everyman Cinema in King's Cross for a VIP screening of the new BBC teen drama, Get Even. Here's Nathan with all the details.
We're at the premiere of the new BBC teen drama, Get Even. Everyone's been working really hard to prepare for this event, and now we're here. You can really sense the atmosphere. Let me bring you on a tour behind the scenes.
My name's Kim Addis. I play Kitty Way in Get Even, and she's the athlete and the leader of the secret society, DGM.
I am Bethany Antonia and I play Margot Rivers, and she is an American who's just moved to England and started at Bannerman, and she is the tech whiz of DGM.
I'm Mia McKenna Bruce and I play Bree Derringer, and she is known as the Rebel. And I'm just going to leave that there.
It's true. I'm Jessica Alexander and I play Olivia Hayes, and her code name is the Princess. She's the popular one from the school, but she's actually not what she seems.
We're 4 girls in a secret society called DGM, and they're a group of determined, fierce young girls in Bannerman School, and they're trying to fight the patriarchy. So they do anonymous pranks to expose bullies and tyrannical teachers.
Yeah, just watch it because there's so much more that goes on, and you really want to see it.
There's murder.
Yeah, and then it's like, whoa.
But there's also love.
So advice for young aspiring actors like yourself, just hustle, man, and expect rejection, but don't let it throw you off. Just keep going, keep going, and keep going.
I didn't go to drama school. I think who here went, like, right, so none of us went to drama school, so I just think, like, look outside the box a little bit.
Like, as Kim said, like, there's a lot of rejection, but we all get it, and you just got to keep at it.
As they always say on Love Island, just like stay true to yourself and you'll be fine.
Saturday the 15th.
On BBC iPlayer.
That's all from here, along with the cast. I'm Nathan, reporting for SMA News.
That's all from us and all the team here at SMA News. We'll be back with our next edition just after Easter.
But now, it's time for us to head off on our half term. Bye for now.